Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay students, we have completed exercise number 5.3 in our previous lecture. Today we are going to start exercise number 5.4. I have written first question for you. The area of square is 73.96 centimeter square. Calculate the length of one side. If you have the area, area means L multiplied by L. Area of square means L square. And if we want to find length of one side, then we will take square root so that the square will be cut, neglect from the value, and the answer will be equal to L. Okay, to use this method, let's start. Given data is area which is equal to 73.96 centimeter square, and formula that will use in it is area is equal to L multiplied by L. Put the values in that formula. All L square is equal to area, or L square is equal to 73.96 centimeter square. To find the length, I will take square root. Taking square root, L square and 73.96 centimeter square. You can use any method to find the square root, as we have discussed two methods, which are prime factorization and division method. I will use division method for the solution. 73.96, it's 8 8 64. Remaining value is 7. Point will be placed in the answer and I will get next pair 96. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. I will choose 4 with it, and 4 multiplication with 4. 4 4 is 16. 4 6 is 24. Sorry, I will use 6 because 4 is not completing the value. 6 6 is 36. 6 6 is 36 plus 3, 39. 6 1 is 6 plus 4 is equal to 9. Total value is, the length of one side is 8.6 centimeter. That is the answer. Sorry. In question number 2, it is simple as first question. 324 soldiers queued up, such as the number of queues is equal to number of soldiers in each queue. It's like a square form. Then we will just take a square root of this number to find the number of queues, or to find the number of soldiers in a queue. Take a square root with this method or using prime factorization. Let's start question number 3. By which smallest number can 275 be multiplied to get a perfect square? It is not a perfect square. 275 is not a perfect square. We have to multiply it with any number so that 275 will be, after multiplication, will be a perfect square. To find that number, we have to use prime factorization method, because in prime factorization the numbers are in prime factors are in multiplication form, and in division method we are just subtracting the values and multiply in the answer, or divisor and quotient. Okay, but in prime factorization all the factors are in multiplication form, so in that type of questions we will use prime factorization method. Okay, let's start. The first number is 275. Firstly, may take the LCM of 275. I will use 5. 5 5 is 25, 5 5 is 25, 11. 275 is equal to 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 11. Here, next step is to make pairs. 5 5 is a pair, but 11 has no pair, so we have to multiply 275 with 11 to get a perfect square. So 11 is the answer. Okay students, now in question number 4 it is similar as question number 3. By which smallest number can 648 be divided to get a perfect square? It's mean it is also not a perfect square, but as there are three numbers and 11 has no pair, if I can multiply with 11 I can also remove it with division. So here is that method. We can also remove the number or cut out the number from the pair. Take the LCM of 648 and the number that have no pair, the answer will be that number. It means the number to be divided by which 648 to be divided is the that number that has no pair. Okay, I hope you can do it easily. Question number 5. The length and breadth of a rectangular swimming pool are 243 meters and 727 meters respectively. Find the length of square shaped swimming pool which has the same area as rectangular swimming pool. So it means the area of that pool is also equal to the area of square shaped pool. So firstly we will find the area of rectangular shaped pool. I have read the question number 5. L and B is given. Let's start the solution and find the area of this pool, rectangular pool. Area of rectangular pool, as we know that area is get by L multiplied by B. So I will multiply 243 meter and 27 meters. The answer will be 6561 meter square. It is the area of rectangular pool, and as it is given in the question that the area of square pool is also equal to area of rectangular shaped pool. So the area of square pool is also 6561 meter square. And now we have to find the length of this square shaped pool. To find the length, its mean area of square pool is equal to L square and its value is 6561 meter square. To find the length of one side, I will take the square root. Taking square root, L square and 6561 meter square. L is equal to 6561. I will take the square root by division method. 6561, 8 8s are 64. Subtracting the value 1, and I will use next pair. Adding these numbers to next divisor, it is 16. I will use 1 and it is equal to, so 861 is 1s are 161. The length of one side is 81 and meter square is cutting. So L, it's mean the length of the square shaped pool is 81 meter. Now in question number 6, the base and height of a rectangle are 8 cm and 4.5 cm respectively. This means the base is 8 cm and the height is 4.5 cm of that triangle. Find the length of the side of a square whose area is double to the given rectangle. We have to find the side of a square. Here it is given a triangle, but we have to find the left side of square, and the square and rectangular, the relationship between them is area of a square is double as given in triangle. Firstly find the area of triangle. I have written the question. Let's find the solution. Area of triangle. Formula to find the area of triangle is 1/2 of b multiplied by h, base multiplied by height. Base is 8 cm and 4.5 cm. I will cut these two values. The answer is 18 centimeter. Now it is given that the area of square is equal to double of area of rectangle, sorry, triangle. It is given in the question. So area of square is 2 into 18 centimeter and the area of square is 36 centimeter square. Sorry, 36 centimeter square. Now we have to find the length of this square shape. To find the length, I will take the square root of this value. Taking square root, I will get L square and 36 centimeter square. This is square root of 36 is 6 centimeters, so the length of the square is 6 centimeter. I hope that you have easily understand the method and you can do question number 1 to 6 by your own. It's your home task. Take care. Allah Hafiz.